Microsoft just dropped some news that might make millions of employees uncomfortable. Starting December 2025, Microsoft Teams will automatically inform your company whether you're working from the office or not. Here's how it works. Whenever you connect to your company's Wi-Fi, Teams will automatically update your work location, showing exactly which building you're in. So, even if you're using a virtual background in Teams to look professional, your boss will still know whether you're actually in the office. Until now, you could find a quiet corner in the office to focus without being disturbed. But according to Tech Radar, that might soon be impossible, because Teams will reveal your location within the office too. Microsoft says this update is meant to boost productivity, making it easier for colleagues and managers to locate each other without endless messages or calls. But here's the problem: privacy concerns. Experts warn that pulling real-time location data into Teams could raise serious issues. It may sound helpful, but it also means your presence and location could be visible to others automatically. According to Windows Central and Windows Report, this update could make life tougher for people still working from home or in hybrid mode. In short, hiding just got a lot harder. Microsoft says the feature will roll out from December 2025, available for both Windows and Mac users worldwide. By default, the feature will be turned off, but company admins can enable it if they choose. So, what do you think? Is this a smart move to improve productivity? Or another step toward employee surveillance? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vartaman Guruji for more tech and IT updates.